They laughed when Alex planted his first mango tree, but years later they stood in line outside his mango factory. Alex was a young man with a dream bigger than his empty wallet. He lived in a small village where jobs were rare and opportunities disappeared quickly. While others searched for easy money, Alex believed that building something lasting would change his future. One day, he noticed that fresh mangoes were always in high demand during summer. Instead of selling them in the market, he dreamed of owning a huge mango farm and one day a mango factory. Everyone called it an impossible dream because he had almost nothing. Alex borrowed a small piece of unused land and planted his first mango saplings with great hope. Every morning he watered them before sunrise and worked as a laborer during the day to buy fertilizer and farming tools. Months passed, but unexpected drought struck the village. The young trees became weak, many dried out completely, and most people said his dream had ended before it truly began. Instead of giving up, Alex studied better farming methods from experienced growers. He collected rainwater and homemade storage pits, improved the soil naturally, and planted stronger mango varieties. Slowly, the farm became green again. Just when everything seemed perfect, a powerful storm destroyed fences, damaged trees, and ruined nearly half of the growing fruit. The financial loss was heartbreaking. Friends advised him to sell the land and forget farming forever. Alex refused to quit. He repaired everything with his own hands and continued working day after day. His determination finally paid off when the remaining mango trees produced sweet, high-quality fruit. Customers loved the taste, and local shopkeepers wanted to buy everything he harvested. For the first time, Alex earned enough money to expand his farm instead of simply surviving. As production increased every season, Alex realized that many ripe mangoes spoiled before reaching distant markets. Rather than accepting the waste, he searched for a better solution. He saved every profit, avoided unnecessary spending, and invested in small processing machines. After years of patience, hard work, and careful planning, he opened his very first mango factory. The factory produced fresh mango juice, dried mango slices, mango jam, and natural mango pulp. Soon, supermarkets and restaurants placed large orders. The business created jobs for many families in his village, giving others the opportunities Alex once wished for himself. People who had laughed at his dream now admired his success. They asked how an ordinary young man with no money had built a respected business from a few tiny mango trees. Alex smiled and simply pointed toward his first surviving tree, reminding everyone that every great achievement begins with one small step and the courage to keep moving despite failure. Moral: success belongs to those who keep growing through every failure, because persistence can turn a single dream into a lasting legacy.